Alright, we're out on the lake right now. We're just on the south end in the mouth of a creek, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my planer boards, how I got my winter set up here. So what I'm going to do first is use the outside planer board. I'm going to put a trout on it, just like that, just a small, medium-sized trout. Throw it out there. Feed out usually about 30 feet of line on the outside, depending on the depths. So I'm going to feed it out. Got it at 30 feet. Okay. Now with the planer board, the way you hook this up is you have your line out. What I do generally is I'll make a loop in the line. I've got a pigtail swivel. I'll put the swivel around the loop, just like that. And then the front of it, what I'll do is I'll put the line in the clamp, just like that. Put it out there. Open up the bail. Rod holder and let it feed out. Next, what I'm going to use a glue back on a free line. I just get one of the glue backs out. Put it on the hook. Toss it out there. Once again, about 30 feet. Okay, now let's get a close-up of me hooking up this planer board on the second one. So you can come right over here, cameraman. Okay, make my little loop, put it through the pigtail, spin it around, take the clamp, open it up, put the line in it, shut it, set it straight out. See the outside one out there going right now. This one's starting to feed out. Let that one get out there a little way. Lock that down. Now for the third one, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use what I call a downline planer. What I've done here is I've put a about 1.25 ounces stealth weight on it. I'm going to get a glue back. Hook up the glue back. Because this is a weighted planer, we're not going to put this very far out. We just want to get it down a little way, so what we're going to do is put it out about 15 to 20 feet. Now with this one, on my planer board, we're going to do the same thing, only this time it's a downline planer board. What I've done is I put a hole in the center of the planer board here to disperse the weight since it's a downline. So my pigtail is about halfway up the board. What I'm going to do is the same thing. Hook it up. Put it in the clamp. Let that run out a bit. then you have your 3-board spread.
Alright, we've got all our spread out. We've got 3 planer boards on the left side here. The closest one to the boat is a downline planer with about 1.25 ounces weight on it. We're just kind of running across points on a south end creek right now. There's the ones on the right side. We got one straight out the back. We got a nice trout straight out the back, so hopefully we'll find some stripers up on these points here.